Hey Mark, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website here and figured I'd show you a short video for you going over a few things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you see or would like to know how we can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The three things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. And so on your website here, Google wants to see that you are providing value to those people that are landing on your site. And so that's where the content comes into play here, as well as they want to see what keywords are on your site, because Google does make sure that they connect the correct businesses to the correct consumers there. So they want to know who you are and what you do so that they know who to connect you to. So that includes, content includes everything that you can visually see and read, and it also includes every single photo that is on your website. Google does have the capability of seeing what's behind these photos. What were they saved as before they were uploaded? So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage here to be considered an authority with Google, and then those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Houston Remodeling Company. So anything that's being typed into this Google search bar is what we call a keyword. Whenever your future customers are typing this in here, the first thing that populates are some ads, which can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business. But if we scroll down, this is what's called the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. We can see that there is one business running an ad to be on this little front section here, and you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40% of business. And so the way that you outrank these competitors, one way is to run ads, and then the other way would be to have a Google business profile. So with a little bit of searching here, I see that you do have one. So the next step would be to have this be completely optimized. So you'd want to have this be completely filled out as accurately as much as possible. Be consistent with 5-star reviews, that impacts it quite a bit. And then the most time consuming are those citations. So all a citation is, it's your business name here, the address, and the phone number, exactly as it is on your business profile in your local directories. So that could be Facebook, that could be Yelp, and you want to outdo these businesses that are, and that way you get your share of that 30 to 40% of business for yourself. And if we scroll down, this is the start of what's called the organic listing. And the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. We can see at the bottom of the first page here, there is another ad. And so you really want to be on this first page because over 90% of people stay on the first page. And so you'll get the most amount of business for yourself being on the front page as high up as possible. And so we can take a look at the back end of your website. So I have your website plugged into a tool called Ahrefs, and here we're going to take a look at ratings pulled from Google data. DR and UR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. You currently have 0 and 0, and that's just because you have 0 backlinks right now. And so backlinks, the quality and the quantity of the backlinks that you have will make up your ratings. You want to make sure that you have high quality backlinks to boost these ratings above your competitors, because that way you can get boosted to the top of that Google search result. And if you have spammy ones, it will bring these numbers down. So that's why you do want to be intentional there. And so this is important because you do want those higher than your competitors so that you are boosted as high up as possible. But what goes hand in hand with this are keywords. So you have one keyword on your site right now, and you want to make sure that you're being boosted to the top of that Google page for what you would actually want to be found for. So this is very vital as well. I recommend what's called buyer intent You want to make sure that you are getting high quality leads landing on your site. That way you are converting more people there. As of now, you have 0 monthly website traffic. And so we can do this exact same thing with every single one of your competitors. So for the Houston Remodeling Company keyword, Premier Remodel, this website right here was the #1 ranking business. So this is who you need to beat for that keyword. They have 23 and 12. What's making up their ratings here are 1,300 backlinks. These backlinks are coming from 670 referring domains. They have 1,300 keywords on their website and 3,800 monthly website traffic as of now. So what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to add high quality backlinks to your website to boost those ratings above your competitors. Ways to do that: one way is called the copycat method. We can go into every single one of your competitors, see what backlinks they have, and then link those to your website as well. Because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you to rank. And then that way we can outdo all of your competitors here. And then we want to take a look at all the keywords that apply to you. So we can take a look at what each of your competitors are ranking for, and we can also do separate searches as well to see what they're missing. So here are some examples. Houston kitchen remodeling, 900 people are searching every single month. Kitchen remodeling Houston, 1,300 people every single month. Bathroom remodeling Houston, 700, 1,000, 300, 450, 200, 200, 1,300, 400, and we can see that this list keeps going. And there are pages down here. So what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to find those keywords that apply to you, that you are interested in for your business, your service areas, your services that you provide, and then make sure they're on your site and that you are ranking for them. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.